Today I'll be teaching the optimal way to tie your shoes. So you're gonna do the standard thing where you put one of them over the other. So like I usually do the left or the right, but I'm not sure if it matters. Then you thread the right one, and then so like okay, so you just get the crossover, right? This is the simple part. Now this is the special part. You take your index and your thumb and you put them like under the shoelace. So you're just gonna grab it with your other fingers and keep your index and thumb under the shoelace. Then you're gonna take your right hand and then you're gonna do the same thing, where you're gonna first like twist. You're gonna take your index and your thumb. You're gonna like twist the string around it. So it's still under, right? You see how this lace is under these fingers and this lace is under these fingers, but you also have this like bit of string there. So then you're gonna connect these two, but your left thumb is gonna be touching this. Your left thumb is gonna be touching this string here, and your right index finger is gonna be touching this string here. And once both are touching, you just pull the two together, and it comes together like that. So for a different technique, what I learned before that was you start off at the same position, you connect these two, and then you just pull this underneath, and then that ties. And then you take this string, wrap it around the half bunny ear, I guess, and then tie that together, pull it through, and then you get that. Obviously, that's a lot more work. There's a lot more steps. And another thing I recently learned was you take these, you just like wrap them, like you just like push them up and form a loop, and then you just like pull those through. And that, oops, I messed it up. Let's try that again. Okay, yeah, there we go. And you see that works as well. So now I'll do a speed comparison of the various methods. About 4 seconds. About 8 seconds. About 7 seconds.